Hey guys, it's Fraser here, and in this video I will be showing you how you can set up the Yeti Nano on Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so first things first, you want to plug in your mic, and then we want to go down to the bottom of the screen here, and you want to right click and then open sound settings, and this will bring up the Windows sound settings. And what you want to do is make sure that your input device is selected to your Yeti Nano. So you just want to enter that in here. And then you want to make sure that you test your microphone. You want to see that, talking to the mic, and make sure that the audio levels are changing. And so your mic is picking up the sound. And what you want to do is, if this isn't showing, you want to go into device properties. And then you want to make sure that the volume is up at a good level so that you can hear yourself. But if this still isn't showing, then what you want to do is on the front of your microphone, you want to adjust the gain knob. So that'll be, it's right on the front below the blue logo. Okay, so next we want to go into the sound control panel. So you want to go up to the top here in related settings. You want to click on the sound control panel button, and this will launch the sound control panel here. So what you want to do is go to the playback tab, and what you want to go and do is make sure that the default device is the speakers, which will say Yeti Nano on it, and this is to make sure that the audio plays out through the headphone jack in the Yeti Nano, so that you can hear yourself talking, and to make sure what your mic sounds like. And then what you want to do is also go to properties, and then you want to go to advanced and make sure that the default format is set to 24-bit, the 48,000 hertz. So you want to click that, and then click apply, and then click OK. And then you want to go into the recording tab, and what we want to do here is select the microphone, which is the Yeti Nano, and then what you want to do is make sure that that is the default device. And then you want to go to properties again, and then advanced again, and make sure that the default format is 2-channel 24-bit and then 48,000 hertz, and you want to click OK, and then you want to click OK again. Okay, so next what you're going to do is install the Blue Yeti software here, and it's called Blue Sherpa. Now I'll have a link to this in the description, or you can just Google it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to download the software here, and I'm just going to click keep. And what this software is for is it can adjust the mic gain and the playback level of your Blue Yeti, and it can also install new firmware to your device. So we're just going to wait for this to finish downloading, and then I'll open it up. Alright, so I'm just going to click to open it up right now, and then click yes, and then it's going to automatically install here. I'll just wait. I've already got it, so I'm getting this error here, so I'm just going to click cancel, but you just go through the installation process, and we'll just open it up right now. Okay, so I'm just going to open up Blue Sherpa, and here it is right now. As you can see, I am now connected to my Yeti Nano in the app here. And then what you want to do is you can change your mic gain here with these settings. You can also mute your mic and everything like that. This isn't really necessary, but it's handy. It's a handy tool to use. And also you can change your polar pattern. But what you want to do is go to the firmware tab, and if your device needs any firmware updates, make sure that you download them, because they will have the latest drivers, and it will make sure that your device sounds the best. So yeah, we're just going to click OK, because I have the latest firmware, and I'm just going to shut this down. So that is how you set up the Yeti Nano on Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.